the authority of the House of Representatives to conduct its disciplinary process. Choosing to entirely ignore the disciplinary proceedings in the Committee on Ethics in a manner that undermines the work of the committee ultimately undermines the House of Representatives as an institution. The committee shall not in any way tolerate conduct that brings the committee and the entire House into disgrace and contempt. After a thorough deliberation on the case, the committee finds that Respondent Barsaga of the 4th District of Cavite committed repeated escalating misconduct during the period of his suspension from office during December 1, 2025 to January 30, 2026, which reflected negatively upon the dignity, integrity, and reputation of the House of Representatives as an institution and of the members of the House, and recommends the imposition of another penalty of suspension from office for 60 days without the benefit of salaries and allowances. The imposition of the penalty carries with it a stern warning that a repetition of another misconduct would warrant a more severe disciplinary action, including expulsion from office. Maraming salamat, Madam Speaker.